welkom bij een nieuwe video van Sociataal. In this video we are going to learn how to use the possessive pronoun in Dutch. A possessive pronoun indicates to whom an object belongs. Dit is mijn boek. This is my book. Mijn is a possessive pronoun. Let's have a look at all our possessive pronouns. Mijn, jou or je, uw, zijn, haar, zijn, ons or onze, jullie or je, en hun. Let's discuss some noteworthy things here. If you want to know more about stressed and unstressed pronouns, then I recommend you to watch my video about subject pronouns. In that video, I explain why we use different pronouns and when to use which one. And then why do we have both ons and onze for the possessive pronoun or? And this is because we use ons for head words and onze for the words. So for example, dit is ons huis. Dit is onze auto. So the pronunciation of the E at the end is really important in Dutch. We use zijn or haar for the possessive pronoun it. We don't really have a translation in Dutch for it. Therefore we use zijn or haar. It depends on whether the word is neuter, feminine or masculine. Although in everyday Dutch we don't distinguish between masculine and feminine, which means it's totally fine to use the word zijn. But in Flemish, people still do. So if we have the word de overheid, then we say de overheid heeft zijn fouten toegegeven. But since the word is feminine, we can also say de overheid heeft haar fouten toegegeven. Oké, heel goed. Time to practice. Here are 3 sentences and I want you to fill in the blanks. If you want to practice more, you can become a Socia member. As a Socia member, you get more exercises on every Sociataal YouTube topic, and much more. Okay, that's it for the possessive pronouns. If you like this video, then make sure to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and as I always say, tot de volgende keer.